Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add Signup or login plugin in WooCommerce. So simply just you have to visit WordPress and simply type on plugin. So here you have to type the plugin name for login and sign up. So simply there are many login and sign up plugin here, but simply you have to search for this one. So simply type login or sign up and pop up, then put the small bracket and just type inline. After that just click on search. So here you will find the best plugin. So just simply click here. So now here you have to activate this plugin. So simply go down and read all the features and options regarding this plugin. So here you can see all the options are available. So just simply you have to click on upgrade and activate. So in order to add sign up or login plugin, you have to add a payment method. So you can add payment through credit card or PayPal. So after adding the payment method, you can easily add sign up or login plugin in WooCommerce.